Everything you know about time is wrong. You've been programmed to see time as a ticking clock. But what if I told you time doesn't exist the way you think? That your entire life could feel longer, deeper, and more meaningful if you just rewired your mind? Comment, awaken below if you're ready to see beyond the illusion. 1. The Great Lie. How society stole your time. A mayfly lives 24 hours. To it, that's a full life. But what if you're the mayfly? What if your 80 years are just a single breath in the lifespan of the universe? The invention of the clock, and how it enslaved you. Before clocks, humans lived by seasons, sunsets, and instinct. The Industrial Revolution weaponized time, turning life into shifts, deadlines, and productivity quotas. Your anxiety, it's not yours. It's a byproduct of a system that profits from your hurry. The relativity of time, Einstein's secret. Time slows down near a black hole. If you travel at light speed, you age slower than people on Earth. So, whose clock is really correct? Comment clockwork if you've ever felt like a cog in the machine. 2. Time is a construct, and you're the architect. Philosophical debate. Does the past even exist? Presentism. Only the now is real. The past is memory, the future is imagination. Eternalism. Time is a block universe. Past, present, future all exist simultaneously. Which one terrifies you more? The neuroscience of time. Why your brain lies to you. Trauma speeds up time. A car crash feels like slow motion. Boredom stretches time. A 5-minute wait feels like an hour. Your memory edits the past. So is your life just a story you keep rewriting? Drop reality in the comments if your mind is spinning right now. 3. Time travel is real, but not how you think. Scientific and spiritual time hacks. You can't build a DeLorean, but you can manipulate your perception of time. The 3 laws of subjective time. Novelty equals expansion, new experiences slow time, travel, learn, explore. Flow equals timelessness. Deep work makes hours feel like minutes. Presence equals immortality. Mindfulness stretches now into forever. The Stoic secret to longer life, Memento Mori, remember you must die. This urgency makes time richer. Seneca's warning, life is long if you know how to use it. Comment freedom if you're ready to escape the time prison. The Time Warrior's Manifesto, how to live forever. You don't need more time. You need more life per second. Delete fake urgency. Stop glorifying busy. The 80-20 rule. 20% of actions create 80% of results. Focus there. Become a time billionaire. Track energy, not hours. Work in bursts. Rest deeply. Design timeless days. Routine kills time. Spontaneity revives it. The ultimate hack. Reverse aging studies show awe, nature, art, music slows biological aging. Gratitude equals time expansion. Journaling stretches perceived time. You don't need more time. You need more life per second. Time isn't running out. You're just misusing it. The clock is a tyrant you built yourself. So ask, will you die a slave for seconds or live as a time rebel? Subscribe for mind-melting philosophy, hit the bell, or time will steal our next video.